Do you feel alone, invisible, and undesired in your relationship? Do you feel that you tried everything and your relationship just isn't working? Women tell me this all the time, that eventually they numb out and go through the motions, feeling unsatisfied and unfulfilled in their relationship. Hi, I'm Jessica Rosen, registered psychologist and relationship weaver, and I'm here to tell you that it's not too late, it's not too difficult, and it's not only a fantasy that you see in the movies to have the relationship that you really desire. Join me for my Light the Spark one-day virtual workshop where I take everything that I've learned in my professional work and my personal experiences so that you can gain the clarity about exactly what you need to do, feel confident, and feel empowered to take those steps in your everyday life and in your relationship so that you're not just going through the motions, so that you're experiencing that relationship that's authentic, wildly romantic, and deeply connecting. Join me June 5th. It's time for you to invest in yourself, invest in your relationship, and invest in your future happiness. You deserve it. See you there.